Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use Instagram filters without internet. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. And then, what you're going to do here is you're going to turn off first your Wi-Fi. In here, I'm going to refresh my Instagram to show that there's no internet, because it says no internet connection. Once done, I will tap on the create button on the middle that says plus. Once you're here, go ahead and choose any from your gallery, either photo or video. Once done, click on next. In here, you will see all the filters still available over at Instagram. There's no changes really, even if you turn off your Wi-Fi or have no internet access, as this is set on default. Now just choose from any of the filters that you like. And that's it, just click on next. In here, you can even download it over to your mobile device. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.